Welcome to Learn with Rensia, Learning English channel.
I use toothpaste to brush my teeth in the morning and at night. I use toothpaste to brush my teeth in the morning and at night. I rinse my mouth after eating. I rinse my mouth after eating. I wash my face every morning and before going to sleep. I wash my face every morning and before going to sleep. I use soap to clean my hands. I use soap to clean my hands. I wash my hands before meals, after using the toilet, and after touching pets. I wash my hands before meals, after using the toilet, and after touching pets. I clean my ears gently. I clean my ears gently. I cover my mouth when I cough and my nose when I sneeze. I cover my mouth when I cough and my nose when I sneeze. I use a tissue to blow my nose. I use a tissue to blow my nose. I keep my shoes clean. I keep my shoes clean. I wash my feet daily. I wash my feet daily. I use deodorant to prevent bad smells. I use deodorant to prevent bad smells. I brush my tongue while brushing my teeth. I brush my tongue while brushing my teeth. I trim my nails regularly and keep them clean. I trim my nails regularly and keep them clean. I take a bath every day. I take a bath every day. I use shampoo to wash my hair. I use shampoo to wash my hair. I comb my hair after washing it. I comb my hair after washing it. I wear clean clothes every day and change my underwear daily. I wear clean clothes every day and change my underwear daily. I clean my bathroom regularly, including the sink and toilet. I clean my bathroom regularly, including the sink and toilet. I flush the toilet after using it. I flush the toilet after using it. I clean the toilet using a brush. I clean the toilet using a brush. I dry my hands after washing them. I dry my hands after washing them. I use a clean towel every day. I use a clean towel every day. I wash my clothes regularly. I wash my clothes regularly. I clean my hairbrush often. I clean my hairbrush often. I wash my fruits and vegetables before eating. I wash my fruits and vegetables before eating.